Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to find and copy your cat deposit address in Bitget. So you're going to learn how you'll be able to find your cat deposit address for you to receive your cat coin in Bitget during the launching time. So in this video I'm going to make it like it's going to be in a very simple way. So all you have to do is just for you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's get started. So guys, you have to be at the home page, and if you look at the up by your right hand side, you're going to see at the right side you're going to see add form. Yes, let's click the add form and this will come out, and what you're going to do next, you're going to see deposit crypto. Let's click at the deposit crypto, and this showed up, and you have to look for your cat's address, and there are a lot of them here. So in case you didn't see it when you are showing it, you just have to go to the search button over at the upper side for you to type in the address, which is cat, C-A-T-S, cat, and it will pop out. You have to choose the first one, the black one at the upside. So you just have to click it. Okay, it has come up, and there's something very important you have to know. If you look at the upper side, you're going to see tone. That tone that you are seeing there is your network. So the network selected is tone. You have to make sure tone is actually the network, because the cat is launching at the tone blockchain. So you have to make sure that tone is showing at the upside. So what we are going to do next is for we to copy our address, and you're going to see it at the downside. So you just have to copy it, and you're going to see it by the side there at your right. You just have to press copy, and it's going to show successful. So guys, this is the end of this video. I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Thanks for watching. Love you.